First thing we need to talk about is the biggest news that's going to happen tomorrow.
Oh
It's
no!
going to be bad. A lot of jobs are going to be taken.
Oh my god. They took my job!
Yeah, Snapchat. Snapchat after hours is down 30%. And the stock market just tried to have a green day. I was telling people on the Patreon, I'm like, yo, we had a green day. We should have a green week. Everything should calm down. Note what's going on with Snapchat. I can show you better than I can tell you, right? This is on Market Watch. Snap's warning of a weaker outlook sends ripple through the tech stocks. So they saying what's going on with Snapchat is going to ripple down with everybody else. More bad news ahead. Snap can be the canary in the coal mine for the broader internet sector. An unexpected warning about deteriorating economy by Snapchat Inc. Chief CEO Evan Spiegel rippled through the internet and social media stocks late Monday, potentially running the market comeback attempt from earlier today. After the market closed with strong gains Monday, Spiegel spoke at JP Morgan Technology Conference, and the company stated in a filings that its second quarterly earnings would come in below its prior estimates. So he already told everybody, look, everything is going to come in low, right? At the conference, Spiegel said the economy has definitely deteriorated further and faster than Snap's negative 3% has expected when it gave its forecast during the earnings call last month. He added that Snapchat parent is slowing its hiring pace for the year and looking for ways to cut costs. Whenever you're looking for ways to cut costs, that means you are firing employees and you're not hiring employees, because that's where majority of your money is going. Shares of Snap tumbled more than 30% in after hours trading, and the stocks of the other internet social media companies fell along with it. Apple, so we got Alphabet, we got Google slipped. Remember, Google was up. It slipped down 3.6%. Facebook was up 1%. They tumbled 7%. That's very, very bad. Facebook is a strong one. You don't want that going down. Pinterest fell over 12%, and you got Twitter is down. This is bad, bad, bad. Spiegel said Snap, like many other businesses, were dealing with supply chain issues. How the hell is Snapchat dealing with supply chain issues? Inflation concerns about interest rates and the WAR in Ukraine. There's a lot to deal with in the macro environment today. We're still staying focused, and we are really on long term and investing through it, he said. The comments by Snap could be an indication of further deterioration in the internet sector, with the overall internet advertised slowdown as the macro economy slows. It's worth noting that last year when the impact of Apple privacy chain failed, they basically talking about when, the ads went down with Apple because they changed that privacy thing. You got to think Snapchat mainly make their money off of advertisers. As advertisers paying less money is going to be bad. Same as me being a Google kind of contractor getting paid on YouTube. Ads go down, you're going to make less money. This time, however, Snap could be the canary in the coal mines for the broader internet sector, which has been under big pressure during the tech wreck so far this year. While the S&P 500 index is down about 17%, individual stocks has fallen much harder year to date. Google is down 23%. Meta has fallen 40%. Pinterest down 38%. And yet Twitter went up because of Elon Musk. But how long is that going to last? Say Netflix, which first saw the first decline, that's when everything went down, said it's laying off 150 employees, and that's just what they're saying. You got Robinhood saying it's cut 9% of its workforce. You got Uber, and everybody's trying to figure out ways to save money. So let's look at Snapchat stock at this point, right? So if Snapchat stock is at $22, right? And they saying it's down 30%. 50% will put this about $11, right? So we'll just say $15. So if this thing go down to $15, y'all, what sound like it's going down to. Look at this in the last year ago, it was at $60. 2 years ago, so this was the only jump they had, all-time high, $83, and literally going right back down. In my opinion, I own Snapchat stock a long time ago. And I forgot when I ended up selling it, because remember when we had Snapchat, when it first came out, everybody was using it. Snapchat went hard. I'm like, this is so new. Like, we're used to it now with Instagram stories and doing it on your Facebook. But when Snapchat first came out, there was nothing like it. Everybody was on Snapchat. It was great. And I'm like, yo, once they were going public, this is going to go crazy. And I invested in Snapchat. But the problem was, once I relaxed and realized, how is Snapchat is going to make money? You know, it's like, this time before they had ads and all that stuff, it's like, how they going to make money? It wasn't a good, smart company to invest in at the time. So I sold my stock. Happy I did. But man, this is going to be tough. Let me know y'all comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about what's going on with Snapchat.